My YouTube channel is about crochet and I need to hook number 8 tutorial hat. Let's go. Circle amigurumi, 1 chain, circle amigurumi, 1 chain, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 12 double crochet, circle amigurumi, 1 slip stitch. Yes, 1, 2 chain, plus double crochet, 1 double crochet, plus 2 double crochet, 1, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, repeat row. Row 2, 20 double crochet, 1 chain, slip stitch. 1, 2 chain, repeat 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2 chain and 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, repeat 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, repeat 3 row. Row 1, 12 double crochet, row 2, 24 double crochet, row 3, 36 double crochet, yes, slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch, 1, 2 chain, row 4, 1, 2, 3, row 4, 2 double crochet, chain, 1 double crochet plus double crochet and 1, 2, 3 double crochet plus 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 double crochet. Repeat 4 row. Yes, row 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 centimeters. Row 5, slip stitch, 1 chain, row 5, row 5, half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 4, repeat 5 row, half double crochet, repeat 5 row, half double crochet, 5 row marker, yes, half double crochet, repeat 5 row, 5 row, the end 5 row, yes, the end 5 row, row 6, repeat 1, 2, 3, chain, repeat 1, 2, 3, one, 2, 3, treble crochet, half treble crochet, row 6, one, no, row 5, row 6, repeat the end, 2 marker, then 6 row, repeat half double crochet and half triple double crochet, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, repeat, row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 row the end, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, super hot, slip stitch and row, oh no, slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch, repeat, and row. Repeat. Tutorial super soft hat. Welcome. Love you.